Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with another topic, that is profit or loss as a percentage from Comparing Quantities 7th class NCERT. This is about the profit or loss as a percentage. So in previous videos we already discussed about the what is a profit and what is a loss. In this session we are going to learn that is profit percentage or a loss percentage. We know the percentage. So either profit or loss is based on the cost price. It means buying price. So by using that we are making formula here, that is profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price into 100, or we know that loss percentage is equal to loss by cost price into 100. Here we know that profit and loss, these two are based on the cost price and selling price. So if you get profit, it is selling price is more than the cost price. So SP minus CP. Here loss price, cost price is greater than the selling price, that is implies to loss. So by using these formulas we can get any solutions. So let's start with example problem here. The cost of flower vase is 120 rupees. If the shopkeeper sells it at a loss of 10%, find the price at which it is sold. So here flower vase cost is 120. It means cost price is given, CP. If the shopkeeper sells it at a loss of, he is telling it is a loss of 10%. Find the price at which it is sold. It means selling price we have to find. So therefore, let's start with answer here. Given the cost of flower vase equal to 120 rupees. The shopkeeper sells loss of 10%. Now find selling price, SP. Okay. Now what is the loss percentage formula? This. But here this is the cost price and this is the loss. So we can write it as 10% of 120 rupees. Yes. 10% means 10 by 100 into 120. 0, 0 gets cancelled. 10, 10 gets cancelled. It means 12 rupees. Now, so here 12 rupees loss is equal to 12 rupees. We know the formula, loss equal to CP minus SP. So we have to find SP, right? SP is equal to CP minus loss. If you see here, these two are interchanged with their signs also. Therefore, SP is equal to CP means 120 minus loss 12 rupees. This is also rupees. Therefore, SP is equal to 108 rupees. Therefore, the shopkeeper sells it with 108 rupees. So this is the answer for this question. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.